This device is designed to be worn over an athletic sock. First, remove the elastic cuff. Unfasten the speed lace laces and figure 8 straps. Note, semi-rigid stays provide additional support but can be removed if preferred. Hold onto the top edge of the device and pull it over the foot. The heel should be located in the heel opening. Lace up the device by using the speed lace laces. Pull both closures in opposite directions and fasten them snugly to each side. Do not over-tighten the speed lace straps. Note, strap ends may be trimmed if needed. Wrap the inner medial figure 8 strap across the top of the foot under the heel and attach the end of the strap to the inside of the device. Repeat step 4 for the outside lateral figure 8 strap. Place the foot flat on the floor. Use the finger loops at the end of both straps and unfasten them from the hook and loop. Pull straps up firmly. Reattach straps to the device. Repeat if needed to ensure adequate support. Attach the elastic cuff to the device and wrap the cuff around the front of the foot and secure it. For easy doffing, unfasten the elastic cuff, unwrap the figure 8 straps, and unfasten the speed lace laces to remove the device from the foot.